And good morning, this is Jeff Goldstein with themeasuredmove.com. Today is Tuesday, November the 2nd, about 10 a.m., and we're looking at a continuous contract of the Euro E-mini futures contract, the December contract currently trading near highs at 140.30, and our most recent high at 140.45 is interesting as we have put in resistance up in and around this trend line. We're about to make that trend line touch. I'll anticipate some reaction off of that trend line, and just as we've had here on multiple occasions now, and as we continuously touch these trend lines and test the support down here and the resistance up here, these areas will weaken and we'll get out of this this range. Okay, if you haven't sold these highs, or if you didn't buy these lows, everything else in the middle has really been pretty choppy and really has gone nowhere, except recently, where in a series of measured moves we have moved to our highs. From the evening session lows here, the 10 o'clock, we did come into our next measured move at 4 a.m. Was this? Yeah, about 4 a.m. Now I was up at around 2:30 looking for this level, and that made it challenging for me, and probably was challenging for a lot of people looking for entry on the euro, because we didn't get that entry until about 4 a.m. However, price did present itself and continued into its target, so let me redraw that. And we hit its negative 23.6% target, and then we came into our next series of measured moves. Here at almost 7 a.m., this is about 6:45 a.m., and hit its negative 23.6% target. And we blew out of that target. You could see that they bought it up here, and the market found support. But what that looks like to me is an extension. So we pull from highs, previous highs right here, to our new highs, which are right here. And the support came in at this extension, this next measured move, with the target at 40.48. We've traded 40.45. Okay? So you can see how powerful these measured moves are, and if you can take advantage of them, if you're awake to trade. Again, I'll just review the series. From our 10 p.m. lows, we retraced into our measured move at 39.07. We hit its target. Our next measured move is drawn from the action area to these highs, and 39.48 hit its target. So a really nice, clean series of measured moves, about 150 pips that presented. Our next measured move, okay, if we don't continue in extensions, okay, and then after extensions we just go straight up, okay. So we have to kind of look at a daily chart, because I'm looking at these prices, I'm seeing that we're coming up to our daily highs at these 40.67s, and if we get above them, we can just take straight up. We do have those extension targets above us here at 4,300. Okay, so this is the daily chart. 43.60 is our negative 23.6% target on the daily. That is still 300 pips away, plus. That's all for right now. We'll check in later on this afternoon with the S&P 500 which has been just in a range. Okay, from say, take a look at it real quick. These 1193s, I've drawn up this line up here. 1193s and as low as we'll just call it 1172. And that's all I see right now. It's just a big range, and if we do break out of this range, okay, that will bring in more volume to this market, and we can move to move in a series of measured moves to its daily negative 23.6% target, which is, I think it was 1208 when we last looked at it, but we'll review it again later this afternoon. Have a great, safe trading morning, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.